Hi, I'm Nicole Elise from GTX Corp and spokesperson for Loki Mobile. Today, Tuesday, May 25th, 2010, Loki Mobile, a wholly owned subsidiary of GTX Corp, stock ticker symbol GTXO, announced the launch of its popular People Finder GPS tracking app for the iPad. Loki Mobile launched its first version of the app on the iPhone and iPod Touch in December of 2009, and within weeks, the app hit the top charts and has steadily been climbing ever since. 400,000 people in 82 countries have already downloaded the app, which appears to be the highest ranked paid social networking app, recently hitting the #2 spot on iTunes' top grossing social networking category. With only 5,000 apps currently on the iPad platform compared to over 150,000 on the iPhone, the GPS tracking app for the iPad is well positioned to secure its spot on the charts. This app brings people together, locating family, friends, and coworkers. GPS tracking isn't a toy. It isn't a game. It offers privacy, lets users share and upload pictures to Facebook and Twitter, and simply said, it's the most direct, purest, location-based check-in app on the market. GTX Corp has been a leader in this space for 8 years, putting GPS tracking technology in the hands of athletes, healthcare professionals, even in shoes, and now perhaps everyone with a GPS smartphone. Beginning this week, for about the cost of a grande latte, the GPS tracking app will be available on the iPad. With currently over 1 million iPads in the market and projected 10 million by 2011, this is a growing platform. Executive editor of World Market Media, Steve Conoval, concludes this is a unique space, with wind at its back, and certainly the apps market is a niche to watch. GPS tracking apps, look for them on smartphones near you.